Welcome back. This is Amayila. Yes, today we want to talk about the topic men have always been envious of us, the women. They've always been envious of our womb. We can take a look first at the church. It's the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And they have taken off the woman from the church. And they tell us Mary Magdalene is a whore. Yes, Mary is a prostitute. They wanted to be in leadership, they wanted to conquer and rule us. So they tell us the woman is bad. Only follow the leadership of the man. Yes, but when man is in leadership, when he's in rulership, he is not intuitive, he is not caring what men can do. Men can steal, kill, and destroy. Men don't even feel safe in other men's presence. Look at the men. They're always carrying the gun, carrying the knives, carrying weapons. They don't feel safe in other men's presence. They are always thinking, ooh, she's going to take my woman. Ooh, he's going to take my job. Ooh, he's going to take over. Whatever. That's meant for you. But us, it's because they've always been envious of that womb. But us women, if we lead, we've got that womb. We are intuitive. We are caring. We are nurturing. We are connected with nature. Remember, we rule with our feminine energy. The moon is the feminine energy. Us, the women, we are the creators. Men have always been envious of our creation, that women can create, we can nurture, we can lead. We can lead not with fear, with conquering, with torture. We are opposite of what men do. Then we can go into the season we are right now, the festive season. There is Santa again, which is the man. Yes, there is no woman there. They want everyone to believe that the man, he comes to save the world, that he is the leader. And they've taken out the women out of the picture eh, because of that jealous they have for us. They don't want us to be in leadership as women. Look at the church again. They will tell you, woman, submit to your husband. Then the line goes again. Once the woman submit to the husband, then the husband submit to Christ. And we can see the line there. It's all men dominated there. There is no, that's why they even created the God. But the creator, that's a story for another day. They tell us it's the man again. There is no woman in the picture there. They have taken out the woman and the child. Now it's all male dominated. And everything we do as women, we we are very intuitive. We are very connected with nature. And even if we want to look at Christmas or any event, these events can happen if us women we are there. Look at the Christmas. It cannot be Christmas without the woman. We make sure the food is there. We make sure the kids are looked after, well dressed, the house is organized, the house is clean, everything, everyone has got everything. We worry such and such, do they have enough? It's us, the women. Men do not think about that. They just thinking of leading and ruling, with conquering and putting fear in everyone. But that's not true leadership. Us women, We are the true leaders. That's why we were given the womb, because we know how to nurture. And I think it's time for us women to take back our power and know that we are the true leaders. We don't even need to be told. Go into each and every household. It's the women who are the leaders. The men might want to deny this and say, no, 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 I'm the one who is taking the shots. I'm the one who has got the big job. I'm doing such and such. But without that woman, the man is nothing. Remember, they came from us. We are the creators. We are the one with the womb. The children, even the children we born, we are the one, we us, the women, are the ones who think in our mind, our consciousness, what do we want to bring in this world? And we'll be preparing how to nurture when these children come on this planet. It's us, the women. We care about nature, we care about the animals, we care about the environment, but men are there to destroy. Look at everything. Look at everything which happens, even including the wars. It's the men. The men, they are there to destroy. So, how can they tell us that they are leaders? How can they tell us that they are the creator, they are the God? How can you be a creator and you destroy stuff? Then it doesn't align. So I hope this was helpful for someone. This is Amai Healer. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the light in me sees the light in you.